Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to log in into the Woori Bank online in South Korea. So guys, from Google, as you can see, the first, if you type in the exact prompt I have, the first link is the one that we are looking for. So type in, log into that website. And as you can see, for your safe use of internet banking, you need to install the security programs. Click OK. Okay, as you can see guys, now we need to install these programs that are required for the security purposes. After you have them installed, you can just go back into the login page and let us continue with the tutorial. So you need to pick your login style. Most folks use a public certificate. Click on certificate login, select your cert from your PC or USB. You'll need it installed ahead of time, then punch in your certificate password, usually 10 plus characters. If you don't have one, try ID or password login. If you have set it up, just enter your user ID and passcode from where you registered at a branch. Now verified. For certificates, you might need an OTP. Grab the code from your registered phone and type it in. ID login might ask for security card number. That's the grid card from the bank. Hit confirm and you're in. You'll land on your dashboard with balances, transfers, and more. All in Korean, so brush up or use a translator. And guys, as a conclusion, that's how it's done. You just hit the official website, pick a certificate or ID, verify, and you're golden. Logged in yet? Drop your story below, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.